Welcome back to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katie, and today we're looking ahead to Mother's Day with Rick Bragg's The Best Cook in the World, Tales from My Mama's Table. Now this book is part cookbook, part memoir, part history book as it takes us through his mama's cooking and her people's cooking, how they learned to survive and thrive through good times and bad in the kitchen. Today we're taking a look at Spanish scrambled eggs, perfect for a Mother's Day breakfast, but if you and your mama are more adventurous, you might try the possum. Let us know if you do. We want to know how that turns out. Let's get going. For Spanish scrambled eggs, we will need 6 eggs beaten, 1 teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of good bacon grease, 1 small onion diced, 1 blade green onion slivered, and 1/2 cup of mild cheese. To get started with our Spanish scrambled eggs, we're going to season our eggs with our salts, pepper, and cayenne. Stir that together well. And then we'll set that aside and begin to get our skillet ready. You'll need a large skillet on medium-high heat. And we'll put our bacon grease in and let that heat through till it's running clear. Once our skillet's ready, we'll go ahead and we'll add that onion. And green onion in, and we'll cook those through until they're just starting to turn clear. Okay, now we'll go ahead and we'll add those eggs in. We'll stir them around and add our cheese real quickly. We'll just stir these until the eggs are cooked through. Okay, we're ready to serve. We hope you and your mama stop by the library soon to check out this book and many more, and we'll see you next time on Cooking by the Book.